Good morning, YouTube. This is December, what's this today, 17th, 2020. I'm in Jasper, Alabama at the Love's truck stop, and I decided to make a little video because I came across something in my truck, and I drive a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia Sleeper, and one of the problems with this truck is that it doesn't allow you to idle for past, I believe, a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes or so, before shutting off. I actually found how to remedy that. As you can see, my truck just the performing idle shutdown, engine idle performing shutdown. Sorry, the finger. But it's showing that the truck is about to start shutting down, right? I figured out how to go, I found a way around that, how to remedy that. Now, I saw a bunch of videos saying, to do the axle lock and unlock and all that stuff, engage this and then do this, do that. It's like you're playing hokey pokey in your truck. I found a simple, easy way, and you guys let me know if it works for you, but I know it worked for me. My truck has been running non-stop since about 6:30 this morning. Have the heat on because outside it was earlier this last night it was about 30 degrees out here. And so, it's pretty cold in my truck, man. I got all these blankets and thermal blankets. I'm sleeping in thermal underwear and beanie caps and stuff, trying to stay warm. But I figured out how to do it. You see, it's starting to count down. And I have not touched the gas pedal. I have not done anything. When it gets to 0, this truck is going to shut off. So I'm going to show you. It's 10:04 a.m. My truck has been running since about 6:30 this morning. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna let it get down to the nitty gritty before I engage it, so you know that it works. I'm gonna wait until it gets down to about maybe 20 seconds, because after 20 seconds, it's gonna shut off. But I'm not gonna touch the gas pedal. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna do one little trick on the settings, and it's gonna keep my truck on. We have like 93 seconds right now left. Try to get closer. I need fuel. I need DEF. Check engine light stays on. I don't know what it is about these Freightliners, but the check engine light, they stay on. Wait till you get to about 20 seconds. That way you'll know, like, okay, this is legit. Alright, so go out of here. You see where it says go over to your thing, idle adjust. You want to go to idle adjust, and you want to go all the way as high as it goes. Set your idle to as high as it will go. Oh man, my video is messing up now. See where say engine idle adjust? set the idle adjust as high as it'll go, and then just back out. I didn't touch the gas pedal. I didn't do anything. All I did was go out, and that was it. Now 20 seconds has passed. This truck should have been cut off by now, but it didn't. And that's how you do it, man. That's how you do it.